Consider a typical scenario at a bustling port engaged in large-scale steel structure manufacturing. Here, the efficient handling of corrugated steel plates is paramount, especially given the exposure to harsh weather conditions like rain and humidity. Battery-powered lifting magnets integrated on gantry cranes excel in such environments due to their ability to maintain a secure grip on steel plates even when exposed to moisture. This capability ensures uninterrupted operations, minimizing downtime and enhancing overall productivity. Battery-powered magnets are designed to withstand extreme environments, including rain and moisture. This resilience ensures uninterrupted operations, crucial for meeting tight production schedules in ports and manufacturing facilities. The lightweight nature of them facilitates easy integration onto gantry cranes and other material handling equipment. This enhances mobility and adaptability, allowing operators to swiftly respond to varying cargo sizes and operational demands without compromising on lifting capacity. Battery-powered lifting magnets represent a significant advancement in material handling technology. Unlike their electromagnetic counterparts that rely on continuous electricity supply, these magnets utilize electropermanent technology powered by batteries. This design ensures a consistent and powerful magnetic force without the need for a constant electrical connection, providing greater operational flexibility and reliability in challenging environments.